We're seeing a lot of transition now in terms of how people get their television content. Traditionally, they're used to getting it through their TV, but now they want to get it through other devices as well, whether that's through their PCs, through their laptops, or other devices in the home, like game consoles or even now iPads. And so what Cisco provides is a mechanism by which you can get that content now to these new devices and get those new devices in high-speed data, giving you much more breadth of services into the home, as well as being able to deliver new advanced services like 3D TV, something that's coming soon to a screen near you, where you'll be able to enjoy the same cinema experience that you have when you saw Avatar, but now at home as well. Do you really care about iPads? Are iPads the target device? Well, no, we're talking about devices that people have already got in their homes, whether that's PCs, laptops, game consoles, the number of PlayStation 3s, Xboxes and Wiis. Those are all great devices for consuming video content today in the home. And sure, new devices like iPads will come to the market, and the system will support those as those evolve. The next thing that's coming really is, this year is everyone is hanging their hats a lot on 3D TV. 3D TV is going to drive a new experience into the home, give you that same feeling as when you were sitting in the movie theater watching Avatar, but now seeing that in home. And a lot more content channels are starting to get launched this year. So we'll see launches from Discovery, from Sony Pictures, channels giving you live sports events as well, so it feels as though you're really there at the event when you're watching it in 3D. We actually do. Asked about every one of our customers today in terms of do they want 3D TV. Every one of our customers is asking for it. When can they actually have a launch of it? We're seeing content channels start to come to market. It's much like as HD evolved. Initially there was a small amount of content. It was some very fixed events. We're going to start seeing Yankees games and things like that in 3D. The World Cup is in 3D, for example, with soccer. And so it's going to start. It's going to be a hockey stick in terms of starting off small, but then as a couple of years go, it will get much bigger. I think with any new technology, there's always a bunch of hype that leads it, absolutely. But now we're starting to get some custom demand that's coming in, and it always starts with, content providers saying, hey, I'm going to build the content. Without the content, the whole chain doesn't flow. And so now we've got CE guys putting equipment into the field. You can go to Best Buy, buy your 3D TV set, and I think as you see over the next 2 to 3 years, you'll really start to see it ramp up.